हमारे अंदर वो हिम्मत और ताकत है जो दुनिया को बदल सकती है. These girls will ultimately become wives and mothers. The most important lesson मैं बच्चों को चाहती हूँ कि वो सबसे पहले एक अच्छा इंसान बने.
A dedicated educator and mentor, Rachna Sharma is shaping the future of young girls as the principal of Meerut Public School for Girls. She believes in empowering students beyond academics, instilling confidence and leadership. Her passion for education is a beacon of inspiration for the next generation. Being the principal of an all-girls school, you have the power to shape future women leaders. What is the most fulfilling part of this role for you?
The most fulfilling part of this role is that when I was a young girl, I often got to hear that you teach one girl and you train a family. So the most fulfilling part is, since it's an all-girls school, I feel that I am empowering so many families in the years to come, because these girls will ultimately become wives and mothers. So जो खुशी की बात ये है कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा एहसास होता है कि मैं आगे आने वाले समय के लिए एक परिवार में कन्या को तैयार कर रही हूँ जो आगे परिवार को भी पढ़ाएगी. तो इसलिए that is the most fulfilling experience.
What is the one lesson you always want your students to carry with them as they step into the world?
The one lesson, since I've become an educator, even when I became a mother, the most important lesson मैं बच्चों को चाहती हूँ कि वो सबसे पहले एक अच्छा इंसान बने. उनके अंदर इंसानियत होनी चाहिए. मार्क्स और हम क्या करियर चूज करते हैं वो बाद में मैटर करता है. तो इसलिए मैं हर स्कूल में wherever I meet children, I tell my children that you need to be good human beings who have a heart, who can feel and believe in yourself. That is what my simple lesson to all my students is.
What are some stereotypes about girls' education that you wish to break?
Some stereotypes, there are so many stereotypes, that girls can do this and girls cannot do that. There were so many professions, which were totally banned for girls at once upon a time. बट हमें ये समझना पड़ेगा कि हम उस देश को बिलोंग करते हैं, हम उस संस्कृति को बिलोंग करते हैं कि जहाँ स्त्री की पूजा की जाती थी. तो हम कैसे ये सोच सकते हैं कि स्त्री ये काम कर सकती है और स्त्री ये काम नहीं कर सकती. हमें कुछ भी करने के लिए एक जज्बात होना चाहिए, एक विश्वास होना चाहिए कि हम ये काम कर सकते हैं, irrespective of the fact that I'm a girl or a boy. So I want to break these walls and stereotypes. We should all be treated as human beings and not be, treated as girls and boys. So every human being has the power to do things which he or she wants to do.
What is one moment in your career that made you feel deeply proud to be an educator and a woman?
The most touching moment is, when a child unconditionally comes and hugs me and he or she says, "Ma'am, you told me this and see, now I have changed myself." That is the most fulfilling and most satisfying, experience, and it happens every day. Every year, so many students are passing out. So it is all of a sudden when somebody comes and tells me, "Ma'am, you taught me this and this is how you touched my life." That is the most fulfilling experience for me, the most happy moment as a school leader.
What do you believe is the role of schools in shaping a gender equal society?
See, the schools play a very important role because जब स्कूल में बच्चा आता है वो formative years में होता है, वो 3 साल का होता है और जब वो इतना छोटा होता है उसे जो भी सिखाते हैं वो पेरेंट्स भी सिखाते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो एक स्कूल सिस्टम में वो सीखता है वो स्कूल से ही सीखता है. तो स्कूल के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि वो irrespective of the fact कि मेरा एक ऑल गर्ल्स स्कूल है, बट मैं ऑल गर्ल्स स्कूल में भी बहुत कुछ इक्वालिटी सिखा सकती हूँ, बिकॉज दे गो बैक होम, मीट देयर ब्रदर्स, देयर फादर्स. सो एज अ स्कूल इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम उनको ये बताएं कि boys and girls, they are all human beings and they need to be treated equally and with empathy. That is what is important. So schools play a very important role, because the formative years are spent with the school, but I also believe that schools and parents together make a society.
On a lighter note, who are more disciplined, your male teachers or female?
That's a difficult question to answer, because in this school, yes, I have 99.9% female teachers, but I still believe that women are more, they can multitask better. So they prove to be better, employees in the school. But again, when I'm talking about, when I should not be talking about gender sensitivity. It is an inherent trait of women that they multitask. So they prove to be better leaders and school teachers. But we should not be gender sensitive. We should not be gender biased rather. So I believe that the men who work with me, they get adapted to it because I include them in all my decisions. So for me, men and women both can be good hands for the organization.
What does Women's Day mean to you as an educator and a woman leader?
I believe I don't need a special day to celebrate my existence. I celebrate each day of my existence, and I pray that I should always be born as a woman, because God has gifted me the capacity to create another life, and the feeling of being a mother is only when you become a mother you can understand that. So I don't need a special day to celebrate womanhood. For me, every day is a woman's day, and as a woman leader also, I am just a leader. Yes, I am a woman, so I am a woman leader, but all leaders should be respected irrespective of their gender. So leadership is a quality, and I believe with changing times, leadership is also changing. So I am a very hardcore democratic leader where I include all people in my decision. So for me, it doesn't matter whether I'm a woman or a man. I'm a leader, so I'm a leader here. Celebrating womanhood, yes, I'm a woman, so I will celebrate it each day.
That is all, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.